YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Photosmart 5520. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, or you're just having general print quality issues, this is a method you can go ahead and use to solve that problem. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go right over here to check your ink. Now, if you can see here, it's showing that you have a little bit of ink left. But I'll tell you right now, this is what causes the majority of the problems, because if you're going to run your ink this low, you are going to dry up your ink cartridges. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below for this ink, this 564 XL black and color ink. Make this project contingent upon you getting brand new ink, because if you're having this problem, this is the cause of it. It's having low ink. No matter how long it takes, just make sure you get that ink. Alright, so we're at the next step now. You've already taken out your ink and you have received your new ink or not. You can do this before it even arrives. Once you take out the ink, the print head is going to be right here in the middle. So you're going to be able to work on it. So what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to shut off the printer. So I just hit the power button, and you're going to hold this with two hands gently. You don't need to force this at all. It's very easy. It's gonna just stay in place. And so now it's off. You're gonna want to go ahead and have a paper towel just like this, and you are gonna go ahead and put it right under here, right directly under the print head. All right, that's perfect. Now you are going to want to have a syringe kit, and I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for a syringe kit just like this one. It's going to come with some cleaning solution, and it's going to come with some fitments as well. So it's going to be specifically for this printer, and it's going to be something that's going to help you tremendously with this project. So go down in the description below, get your cleaning kit, and it's very inexpensive. It's definitely worth it. If you have problems in the future, you can also use that as well. Now, once you have your cleaning kit, you're going to go ahead and take your syringe and you're going to put it right over this nozzle. Like I said, it's going to be much easier for you because you're going to get the specific cleaning kit that is needed for this. Now you're going to just go over each one. Now if you're having problems with a specific color and the other colors are fine, just focus on that color, and you can do this multiple times. I honestly would use up all of the cleaning solution that you have. You can always buy more if you really needed to, but as you can see, I'm going over it twice and kind of just applying pressure to each one. Alright, so that's really it. So now you're going to want to just make sure to clean everything down. I like to suck this out with the syringe. Make sure you have a towel just like this so that you can, a dirty rag so that you can just wipe everything down. And always remember to take out this paper towel. Now it should look just like this because all of the ink that was dried up is now going to be on this paper towel. Alright, so once you're done and you get back to printing, your print quality should come back just like this on your print status report. Now that cyan is kind of lacking a little bit still, so I'll probably just go back and hit that cyan. But this is how it should look. You're still going to have some low ink, but of course you would get the full ink, and that would definitely help with getting the quality back up. Now, if for whatever reason this did not work for you, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for a printer just like this one and a couple of others that use similar ink. If you had an error code or maybe another problem separate from this one and you really wanted to use the same printer for whatever reason, whether you have extra ink or you just don't want to switch printers, go ahead down in the description below. There are a lot of resources down there for you to take what you need and really just get things done, and it's going to be far less expensive than going through HP and getting a brand new printer. You don't know how much you're going to have to end up paying for some newer ink that's on the market nowadays. I also have my website, bestprinterstech.com, if you're wanting to shop for other printers or you just wanted other advice on printers, kind of ink compatibility. There's a lot of resources on that website as well, so you can go ahead and somewhere on this screen you should be able to click and have access to that website. So I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.